Hi guys, Chef Panda here. And I'm going to do something I don't think I've done before, and that's just a mukbang. I got some food from this restaurant that I really like, and I'm so excited about these bites that I'm about to take, okay? It's this place called BENTO Asian Kitchen. I don't see it on this receipt. But yeah, that's what it's called. And it normally comes in like a cute box, or like, not box, what the hell? But like a bag that's the color of a box. Okay, I don't know, but it's in here, so. Okay, and of course it's some Asian food, because, well, I love Asian fucking food. Then I've got some water to, you know, wash it down. So let's see what we got here. I got a bento box, which if you don't know what a bento box is, it's just like a box with a bunch of little other different, like a bunch of different things in it. Like sometimes there'll be, like if you get a sushi one, there'll be like some different sushis, maybe a pot sticker, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, Google it. But that's what I have discovered that it is. Well, I got some for an appetizer. Edamame. An edamame is like a soybean. They're good for you. Yeah, let's open the edamame. There's an edamame, folks. Just like that. Then I got some sweet chili sauce for it. I was hoping it would like already be coated on it, but whatever. Speaking of that, here it is. That's the sweet chili sauce. And then this is what, it's a yum yum sauce, but they call it their white sauce. That's like the, you know, sauce you get to, the good sauce that you dip your foods in at the Asian restaurant. A fork, good. Get my fork out here. Some napkins, good. I might make a mess. Oh shit, guys, I gotta see some. I'll be right back. I'm watching a TV show. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I was watching Love and Hip Hop. Today's the first episode of the new season. But I went ahead with my appetizer and put some of the sweet chili sauce on here and just kind of shook it around. And now, that's what I got. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put my hair up. First of all, it looks horrible. I look fucking homeless. And second of all, I'm about to eat. And whenever I'm eating, I need my hair out of my fucking way. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I probably need a trim, but that's not gonna happen. I'm trying to grow luscious long locks. Anyway, so here's me eating an edamame, guys. That's what it looks like. Gotta tap it like Tammy would. It's kind of a retarded one. What the hell? That's a retarded one. Oh, I'm fucking with that one. That one didn't come out easy. Okay, these guys. I got this guy. See? That's how it's supposed to work. They're good. I wish my food's getting fucking cold. I'm sitting here watching fucking TV. Well, first of all, recording myself instead of just eating my food. Okay, guys, we're about to show you the best part. Water. Okay, guys. So I got the sesame stir fry, and I picked chicken as my meat, brown rice. Okay, I know you guys can't really see, but hold on, I'm gonna flip you around and show you. Okay, guys, done. Look at it. Oh my God. So we have the chicken and vegetables, and it's in a good sweet type of a sauce. See my sesame seeds. We got zucchinis, string peas, onions, red peppers. I said no mushroom, so there's no mushroom. We got some noodles right here, some string beans, We have a salad, okay, with their ginger dressing, some brown rice, and these things right here. Y'all, those are little crispy wontons with cinnamon and sugar on them. So they're like a dessert. They're so freaking fire. Like fire, 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 fire. Okay, guys, I had to fix what my phone was sitting on. It kind of fell. But as you guys just saw, this shit is fire. So we're gonna start with the salad. Right, you already know. This little dressing on it, I don't even know what it is, but I'm about to show y'all this bite. Oh, wrong, I forgot my camera's over this side now. Because it was on that side, and then, well, I don't know. Situation happened. And so it's right here now. Start out with here. Anyways, look at it. That bite. That dressing. Y'all ready? Oh my God. Guys, this is so good. So good. Oh my God. Guys. So good. My show's back on, but I don't really care about Kurt and Rashida. Now, we're gonna try a few of these green beans, which let me kind of stir the green bean up here. I love a green bean like this, or a string bean. They've got a good sauce on them. I forgot, I gotta look over here. A good sauce. Can y'all see those? A little bland tonight, but they're so good. I can't forget I got my white sauce here. And then we're just gonna try a bite of the rice. I got the brown sushi rice, not the white. If I was Chelsea, I'd be like, that's how she, even when she eats, but, or Tammy. But hey, whatever. Okay. Now, these noodles right here. I feel like they're gonna be bland. I'm probably gonna have to like stir the noodle in with the chicken and vegetable situation, but let's try it here. Let's see. Nope. No. Super bland as fuck, like, and a weird other flavor. I'm gonna have to mix the noodles with the sauce. Okay, y'all. Now let's try a piece of this. It's actually the first time I've ever gotten chicken from here. Last time I was eating at this place, I was not eating chicken. So I got shrimp every time. All right, guys. Here's a piece of the chicken. It looks like it's got some onions on it. First, we're gonna try it without. Okay. Very good. Very good. It's hard to mukbang and not talk with your mouth full, you know? I hear things. Okay. Now we're gonna try the chicken in their white sauce. Pretty good. Really good. Here's some zucchini. Wrong camera. String bean and onion. I got some on my table. I'm making a mess. But yeah, guys. So, here's a red pepper. If y'all have a bento wherever you're at, go fucking eat there. Like, it's so good. Or if you go somewhere where there's a bento, they've got other stuff too. And different, like, flavors and kinds of bento boxes. But it's so good. So good, guys. Okay. Hold on. Y'all gotta see me try the dessert part. These are actually my, like, I was so impressed by these. I was like, whoa. I was impressed by the whole little setup, you know what I mean? From the meat, to the little rice, to the noodles, to the salad with the dressing, and to the dessert. Okay, look at them. Well, that one tastes like dish soap, but still tastes a little like dish soap, but you taste the cinnamon and sugar with the dish soap, okay, folks? But okay, guys, this is a short mukbang, but I just knew I was gonna order this food, and I wanted you guys to, you know, try it along with me, because it's so fire, and I don't know when I'll eat it again. But okay, signing off. Chef Panda, Little Beach Panda. Like this page if you don't. Subscribe to me if you're not. Or like the video, I mean. Yeah, like the video. Subscribe to me if you're not. And then hit that bell, the notification button. So then you get a notification every single time I make a video. Okay? Well, signing out, guys. Love you.